Hey guys, welcome back to Mac Farms. Long time no see. Well, not really that long. It's already 8 or 9 days, I guess, which isn't all that long, but I have been uploading every day pretty well, so I guess it's long in that sense. But anyway, I just wanted to stop in, make a quick video here, let you guys know what's up. My computer that I use for editing and everything finally crapped out on me. I've been kind of trying to make it work for the last year or so. It's 2012, mid-2012 MacBook Pro. Anyway, yeah, finally conked out, so I ordered a new one. I won't be here till next week after Labor Day, so just kind of wait until then before I do any serious video uploading or nothing like that, because I can't do it on the phone. It's too hard. I can't use my good cameras or nothing like that. Just the iPhone, which actually isn't too bad. You can see the iPhone quality is pretty good. But I'll show you guys what I've been working on here. Let me pause. Exposure rate on that was crazy. So here we go. Here's the mower. I'll have another little video come up on this too. I kind of got started on with the other cameras and then kind of got interrupted, but hopefully I can read the wind. It's windy out. So basically just replacing that and that, but this one was easy. This one was a pain in the ass. I had to take off the gearbox out of the top of it. The drive shaft had to come out through the center of it. PTO shaft had to come off. The whole girding thing that sits there had to come off. The girds over here had to come off. It's all sitting here and there and there. So there's one of the old ones, just disintegrated. So anyway, yeah, that's what I've been working on, and hopefully I'll get a better video of that coming up. But yeah. So anyway, guys, that's what's going on. I just wanted to give you a little update on that and let you guys know I should be back by the middle of next week, and we'll be back to normal-ish. I don't think I'm going to be doing any more daily videos this going forward. I've been kind of thinking about it, and whatever I'm doing is not working, so I'm gonna cut back to probably 1 or 2 videos a week, and we'll go from there on that, and we'll try a few different things because yeah, it's just not working. So anyway, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Later.